Good morning, fellow kingdom celebrators. This is the moment of wisdom with Pastor Adekunle Komolafe. Topic of the day: stop making noise over nothing. Part 4. Proverbs 25 verse 14. Like cloud and wind without rain is a man who boasts of a gift he does not give. Quote of the day: if you are not successful, your story may be useless. Prayer point for today: pray this and say, Father, help me not to reign before my time. Prophetic instruction for today: put more effort to what you do. Prophetic declaration: I decree and I declare that heaven will visit you today and settle your case at once in Jesus' name. Remember that the devil will always stage a fight, but you will always win because you are not an ordinary person. You are a superstar, and my Father greatly bless you.